안녕하세요, 여러분. 제 이름은 라जीv 쿠마르입니다. 저는 오늘 Korean Advanced Grammar. Hello, everyone. My name is Rajeev Kumar. Today I will teach you about Korean Advanced Grammar. Korean Advanced Grammar. आज का पैटर्न है, टुडेज पैटर्न इज विनिदामान. विनिदामान. ओके. ओके, गुड. Okay, so this is simply the formal final ending benida, okay, added with man, okay, man. It can be translated into but in English. Okay. Korean Advanced Grammar, ㅂ니다만. This is simply the formal final ending, ㅂ니다, added with man. It can be translated into but in English. Okay. Let's learn two example of this pattern, how we use this pattern while making Korean sentence. Okay. Sentences in Korean language. First example, excuse me, but this is my seat. Okay. Okay. How you will say this in Korean? Excuse me. 실례합니다. 실례합니다만. 이 자리는 제 자리입니다. Okay. Second example. He is a good man, but lacks sense of responsibility. A little bit. Okay. Who Saraman. Johan Saram ㅂ니다만. 책임감이 조금 Bujak Hajio. Okay. Bujak Haji. He is a good man, but lacks sense of responsibility a little bit. So, Kusaraman, Johan Saram Imnida Man, Chegim Gami, Jogam Bujak Haji. Okay, good. Next, third example. Take third example. Okay, third example. Korean food is ready. Ready? Okay, but I don't know. But I don't know whether would you would like it or not. Okay. Okay. Next. So how you will write this sentence in Korean? Okay. Hansik, Hansigal, Junbi, Jumbi, Hessam, Hessam, Nidaman. Ipma se, Ipma se, Majal, Ji, Moru, Gesamnida. Okay. Korean food is ready, but I don't know whether you should like it or not. Hansigal Junbi Hessam Nidaman Ipma se Majalji Murgesham Nida. Okay, so you can write like this. Okay, okay. So, any doubt do you have? Anyone? Korean, today's class is Korean Advanced Grammar, and grammar name is, I'll tell you now, just wait 1 second. Korean grammar is, oh wait, hmm. Okay. So today's pattern is ㅂ니다만. Okay. This is normal pattern. Okay. ㅂ니다, and they have put this man. Okay. This man. Okay. So this is simply the formal final ending. ㅂ니다. Okay. ㅂ니다. Added with man. Added with man. It can be translated into but. Okay, in English. Okay. This man is for but. Okay. And I have explained you about with the example. First example is, excuse me, but this is my seat. This is my seat. So excuse me, but is total. You can say in Korean, 실례합니다 만. 실례합니다 is for excuse me. Okay. This man is for but. Okay. But. So 이자리. E is for this. 이자리는 this seat. 제 자리입니다. Okay. Okay. Understand? Okay. Let's another example. Again, I'll explain you the same example. Second example. He is a good man. Okay. He is a good man, but 그 사람은 좋은 사람입니다. 마. Okay, 입니다. 마. Lack sense of responsibility a little. So, 책임감이 조금 부족하지요. Okay, very good. Okay, now third one. Okay, Korean food is ready, but I don't know whether you would like it or not. Okay, Korean food is ready, but I don't know whether you would like it or not. Okay. So how you will say 한식을 준비했지만 or 했습니다만. 한식을 준비했습니다만 입맛에 맞을지 모르겠습니다. 맞을지 모르겠습니다. Okay. 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 Understand? Everyone? Korean food is ready, but I don't know whether you would like it or not. So, Korean food is ready, but so Jansigal Junbi Hessam Man. I don't know. Okay, Muruget Samnida. I don't know Muruget Samnida. Whether you would like it or not. If Mase Majalji Murugesam. Okay. So friends, learners, I would request you please subscribe our channel, share this channel, and if you have any doubt, if you have any questions, you can ping me, you can message me in the comment box. Okay. And very soon I will start teaching in Hindi language as well. Okay. From basics. Okay. So till now, learn this advanced grammar in English right now. Okay, I will start Hindi again. Okay, once complete this one. Okay, so if you have any question, if you have any doubt, if you have any concern, you can just message me. I will explain you. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Share, like, and comment, and subscribe. Okay, we'll see you in the next class. 안녕히 계세요. 감사합니다. 다음 수업에 만납시다.